What if the world could run on free, limitless energy, electricity drawn directly from the earth itself? More than a century ago, one man claimed he could do exactly that. His name was Nikola Tesla, a visionary scientist, far ahead of his time. This is the story of how his dream to give free energy to humanity was buried, lost, and perhaps, stolen. Born in 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia, Tesla grew up fascinated by lightning storms. He could visualize entire machines in his mind before building them, a mental power few could understand. After moving to the United States in 1884, Tesla briefly worked for Thomas Edison, but soon clashed over ideas. Edison wanted to sell electricity through direct current, DC, Tesla believed alternating current, AC, was the future. Their battle became known as the War of Currents, a fight not only of technology, but of vision. Tesla's AC system won. His technology powered the 1893 World's Fair and the mighty Niagara Falls power plant. Yet while fame grew, his finances collapsed. Investors saw profit in selling power, not in giving it away. Tesla's next idea would destroy the business of selling energy altogether, and that made him dangerous. Around 1901, Tesla began building a gigantic tower in Shoreham, New York, the Wardenclyffe Tower. His plan, to send electricity wirelessly through the air, using the earth as a conductor. Imagine charging your home or ship without cables. Tesla told banker J.P. Morgan, once wireless power is spread, every part of the globe will receive electricity. Morgan asked, where do we put the meter? Tesla's answer, there will be none, ended his funding. Without money, the Wardenclyffe Tower was never completed. Newspapers mocked Tesla as a mad scientist. His laboratory fell silent, and he moved into a small New York hotel, feeding pigeons and scribbling equations late into the night. But Tesla never stopped dreaming. He wrote of energy drawn from the atmosphere, power that could make wars impossible. On January 7, 1943, Nikola Tesla died alone at the New Yorker hotel. Within hours, agents from the U.S. Office of Alien Property entered his room. They seized all of his notes, blueprints, and devices. For decades, those papers were classified, hidden from public view. What secrets did they contain? Did Tesla really discover a way to tap the planet's limitless power? Later investigations revealed that Tesla had been working on something called the magnifying transmitter, a machine capable of sending power through the Earth's crust. Declassified documents show that some of Tesla's ideas were studied by the U.S. military during the Cold War. Many believe these experiments inspired modern technologies, even the mysterious HARP project in Alaska. Some say Tesla succeeded before he died, that a prototype of his free energy device was secretly tested and then hidden. Others claim the technology was suppressed to protect oil, coal, and utility empires worth billions. Conspiracy or truth? Perhaps somewhere, deep in a government vault, the blueprints for humanity's energy freedom still exist. Today, scientists around the world are re-examining Tesla's ideas: wireless power transfer, resonant energy, atmospheric electricity. Elon Musk named his company, Tesla, to honor the man who dreamed of a sustainable world. Nikola Tesla once said, "The day when we begin to think freely, we shall achieve great things." Maybe that day is still to come. The question remains. Did Tesla truly unlock the secret of free energy, and did the world choose to forget it? This is the hidden truth of Nikola Tesla's lost invention. Subscribe to @History Dentriths 353 for more stories the world tried to hide. Because history always has another side.